Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Tomica Premium Ferrari FXX number 33 Ferrari. Like the box on this one. I believe I've never reviewed a Tomica Premium before on this channel, so here I am reviewing the Tomica Premium FXXK. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here it is, the Ferrari FXXK, the successor to, I believe, the FXX. Yeah, should be the successor to the original FXX. So this is basically a Ferrari that of course a Ferrari FXXK, which means it's a racing car. So this is like made for track. There is a road legal version, which is the Evo, I think. This one's the FXXK. As you can see, basically it's in this rosso red color. I'm not sure what rosso is it basically, but I know it's rosso, and it's a Ferrari, which means it's always gonna be rosso when it comes to red. So if you already know this car, of course it's an insane looking racing car from Ferrari. Basically, unlike the FXX, this one looks much more better. But you might be thinking, it kind of looks like a Ferrari, LaFerrari of course, but they did some changes. So basically this is a remodified version of the Ferrari, LaFerrari of course. So you can see some major changes, so let's take a look. Here we are. FXXK seems pretty light. I'm not gonna lie, the car seems pretty light in weight. So let's take a look at the side of the car. Here we have some silver rims. Surprisingly, the wheels are not rubber wheels, so they're just normal plastic, like the normal Tomica cars, but this one's in a different type of rim, different type of wheel, which quite surprised me. I thought it's gonna be rubber wheels, but turns out it's not. So as you can see on the side, you have several silver linings on the side. One with here, one over on the top fender right here. Then you have that small number 10 on the door. By the way, the door is actually butterfly wing doors, if it's in the real life of course. And then there's some silver linings up in the front of the fender, near to the hood. Let's take a look at the front. There are the headlights, which are quite small compared to the LaFerrari, which we all know. Here's the front bumper. It's quite extended. I mean the what do you call this? The front bumper and the front bumper actually. What was I saying? So it's quite extended here. You can see it's in black and some more silver lining there. The front grille kind of reminds me of the LaFerrari. Looks kind of similar. There's the Ferrari logo or badge. Some small silver linings from the hood to the back. You have a small Italian flag right there, just a tiny one. You have the air intakes on the front, quite small to be honest. Some more silver linings, a black roof right there, looks pretty good. So this part is actually rubber. I mean the spoiler? Yeah. Can you say this is a spoiler? I do not think so. I mean, it sort of is a spoiler, but it's a small one, I guess. It's like just a small spoiler. There's the rear lights. There is the silver lining right there. Ferrari there. You have the diffusers and the tiny exhaust pipe. The base. Hold on. Yo, check this out. Plastic base actually. I was surprised about that. I thought it was metal. So turns out it's plastic. Made at Vietnam, 1/62 scale, 2021. There you go, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.